Hey Divas, Kaden here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's video will be a wig review. I already went ahead and did the unboxing, so I'm going to put a little video on the side to show you guys of me unboxing the wig. So I was sent this wig from by a seller on Amazon, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you the specs on this wig and what type of wig it is. So this is the wig. It is a V-part wig. I already cut it. I went ahead and cut the lid. It was like this, so I just went ahead and slit it through. So I just have this V. So it comes with what? One comb in the back, two in the sides, and then like right around the V you have 4 combs and one in the back of the top, that is. So this is the wig. It's a highlighted wig. So this wig is super easy to put on. It's convenient. It's a wig on the go. So I'm going to tell you the specs on the wig. So as I said, I was sent it by a seller on Amazon to do a review. So it's from, I hope I'm not butchering the name, but it's from it's Ecnuxza. I'm not sure. So this is it. This is the wig on my phone. So it's a V-part wig. So it's a highlight brown V-part human hair wig, curly. For black women, it's glueless. So it's an upgrade. They say it's an upgrade from a U-part. So with a U-part, you know, you have some leave out, but with the V-part wig, you don't have to do any leave out. I see some persons doing leave out, but you don't have to. It's not meant to do leave out. So it's 150 density and it is 1B30, and this is an 18-inch. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to put on. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the description that you guys need to go ahead and purchase this wig. So I'm going to show you the company's name. I'm going to zoom it up, and as I said, it's from Amazon. I don't know if you guys can see it. So this is the name of the company. It's kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna go ahead and put everything in the description. You don't have to worry. So it's simple. It's like an easy 1-2 to put on. So all you have to do, I went ahead, I took it out of the package. As I said before, I have an unboxing, and I went ahead and co-washed it. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pop it on. So it is super easy to put on. So I try to do, because I did the braids in my hair, so I try to do a center part, but the center part is off. So I'm ensuring that all the clips are open. Then I'm gonna go ahead . See? Okay. So this is it. Go ahead and add some conditioner and water in a spray bottle. Go ahead and spray it. Spray it and brush it. So this is one style you can wear it in. You can wear it in a center part, and I'm gonna go ahead and do like a side part. And here you go, guys. This is it in a side part. I think I like it to the side more because my forehead is huge. I have a big forehead, so I think I like it more to the side. And I will put everything in the description. If you need to purchase it, feel free to do so. Even though I haven't worn the hair for long, I like it so far. What I have, I like it so far. If anything happens and it starts shedding or it just gets, I'm gonna let you guys know, but I like the hair. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.